Video Vault. 30 years ago, the murder trial of a couple in Luzerne County, the Cottams, garnered the attention of the nation. In 1989, our Bob Reynolds did a report on the story, and we look back at that from the Video Vault.
Neighbors of Larry and Leona Cottam wake to see a body being taken from the Cottams' Nuangola home. It's the starved remains of 14-year-old Eric. He only weighs 69 pounds.
The cause of death, again, is starvation, and the manner of death is homicide.
Eric Cottam isn't the only victim. His mother, father, and sister Laura are hospitalized too. They are extremely malnourished. Police learned the family was on a fast for God. They were not eating, despite having thousands of dollars at home and in a bank. Their pastor and others are horrified.
The Lord doesn't expect us to starve. In fact, He expects us to prosper.
The money bit, I was very shocked because I thought you could always sell a car or something to get food for your children.
Larry and Leona Cottam are charged with murder while still recovering from malnutrition. They're arraigned in the hospital.
This is an absolutely sickening and horrendous situation.
Right now, the Cottams are taking the position that they are not guilty of the charges, and we are proceeding on that basis.
The case of a mother and father who starved their son catches the attention of the nation. There's a lot of publicity, and because of that, a jury from Philadelphia is brought into Luzerne County to hear the case. Prosecutors say the Cottams had tremendous influence over their children. The Cottams' defense is that they were isolated from the outside world, and the thousands of dollars they had was to be given to God and not to be used for food. As you can imagine, the courtroom was usually packed with spectators.
I think they were depriving themselves of food because of their religion. That's what interests me.
Some of the facts look pretty bad for the Cottams.
The jury apparently thinks so too. After 2 hours of deliberations, they found Larry and Leona Cottam guilty of third-degree murder for their son Eric and guilty of endangering the welfare of children for not feeding their daughter Laura.
People still have the right to believe whatever they want to believe, but they don't have the right to murder their children or starve their children.
Bob Reynolds, Newswatch 16.